We live in Florida. There's a lot of things that go on here. And look at this gator right here along our trail at Lakewood Ranch. This was just sent in over the weekend, and it's really close to the trail there. Hidden River, you can see it just under that palm frond, that one that's dying in the top part of the screen. Just under it, just kind of looking there. Hidden River, that's a perfect name. It's hiding. That's a great hiding place for it. Kevin's sending that photo in. Look out. Walking your dogs. Keep them on a leash and keep them away from that water. Casey Key webcam showing beautiful water out there, although some patchy areas of red tide. Obviously, we've been talking about that, and some minor fish kills as well as some irritation on some of the area beaches. But we've had a little bit of an east wind, and guess what? It sure felt like summer over the weekend, didn't it? Heat indices up to 105. It officially arrives this Thursday. It's the longest day of the year, by the way, on Thursday. The Earth's northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, the highest sun position in the sky, too. And then we start to shorten our days, by the way, on Friday, June 21st at 6:07. That's the official start. The length of the day, nearly 14 hours, the longest day of the year. Well, look at this. This is a nasty, nasty storm. It's not really a tropical system in terms of any kind of rotation or centralized area of low pressure. It's not classified as a tropical depression, but it is going to bring copious amounts of rainfall, torrential downpours to Houston, southward, all the way down into Mexico. Over the upcoming at least 3 days, it could be as much as 5 days there with this thing kind of just sitting here and spinning, this mid-level low, continuing to bring onshore flow from the Gulf of Mexico. For us, a different story. Dry air is settling in, and that means that we're going to shut down those showers and storms. We don't really have much of it over the weekend, but we will shut down this activity that we're seeing right now with this northeast wind, bringing a few brief showers along the sun coast. Now, we can see one pretty heavy near I-75 and Clark Road, stretching up toward Fruitville. And it looks like that is moving off to the west-southwest. So folks in the southern portion of Siesta Key near the Point of Rocks to Turtle Beach, look out. Also into Palmer Ranch, getting some heavy rainfall there near the Oaks. Going to get some rainfall out of that, I believe. And then this line, too, developing near Waterbury and also east of Parrish. The one in Wauchula, pretty big. That, too, is heading to the west. So we're going to keep a pretty good chance for scattered showers right through the 10 o'clock hour, and then things will start to calm down. As some drier air moves in, we're not expecting as much rainfall here. It'll be a little drier, actually a little wetter to the north of us, a little drier here as a result of that dry air staying in. Wednesday, similar conditions. We're going to get back to that westerly flow, though, as early as Wednesday and Thursday. Temperature 90. I mentioned the heat index at 100 degrees right now. And it's cooled a little bit where some showers move through Wauchula with the rain nearby, 81, Punta Gorda at 82. The Gulf water temperature is steamy, 87 degrees. It's 90 right now, and the pressure 30.04. Our high today was well above average, 93. Not close to the record, though. 100 set back in 1998. Our forecast tomorrow does not call for much rainfall at all through the period as a result of that dry air settling in. Elsewhere across the U.S., the big story is the heavy rainfall expected through Texas and Louisiana. The storm track has really shifted up north at this time. Not a big factor for us, but bringing some pretty heavy weather to the northern New England states. Southeast winds turn to the west at 5 knots. Not much wind out there for your sail. Smooth conditions on the bays and inland waters. And there it is, slight chance for showers through the end of spring, and then summer gets here, and our summer afternoon storms start to get a little bit noticeable on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. High temperatures right around that 90-degree mark. Back to you.
Okay, Bob, I've missed those storms, so it'd be nice to have them back.